we detected 9,999 unusual options on Citigroup, ticker symbol C, today, July 6th. It is now 11:09 a.m. and this unusual trade happened at 10:22 a.m., less than an hour ago. And so if you want to be updated, notified whenever we detect unusual options activity, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Okay, so in this video, we'll be analyzing what these unusual options mean for Citigroup stock. Will it go up or down? Okay, so July 21, we have 47 strike calls, and also the August 18, 47 strike calls. Okay, so we're going to take a look at the July's and then the August expiration dates. So for the July 21s, they expire in 15 days. You'll see here the 47 strike calls are over here. Volume 10,000, open interest 16,000. Because the open interest is 16,000, this is greater than the 9,999. This 47 strike call most likely is a closing order, okay? And so they are closing this trade and reopening it, essentially rolling it to the next month from July 21 to August 18, which is 43 days away. And on the August 18, what they're doing is they're opening an option trade here by buying the 47 strike call, because you can see here the open interest is only 1,298, which is much less than 9,999. So we know that these are opening trades. So by buying this 47 strike call, you'll see that this is a bullish trade here. Okay, as the price goes up, this will become more profitable. All right, and let's make sure we have the right cost here. They paid actually $90 for it, so it was 90 over here. And another thing we can take a look at is the Greeks here. You'll see that this is 33 delta. There is a theta decay of 1.58. So as time goes on, this call option will decay in value. So it has to eventually break this break even here, 47.9. So it has to be higher than that 47 strike price to be profitable at expiration. Now, if they close it earlier and the price has gone up earlier, they could be profitable. That would be the purple line, and you'll see it becomes profitable. So that's the thing about call options. They have to the stock price has to move up as fast as possible before time decays its value. Okay, the profit is here on the y-axis, so anything above this is profitable, anything below it is a loss. So you'll see the line here, as it is below that zero, that is a loss. Okay, now one thing to also analyze is if you were to assume that this was an opening sell order, the 47 strike call for July 21. Okay, so let's assume that this July 21 was actually an opening sell order, right? So they sold the 47 strike calls and they kept that open, and then they bought the 47 strike calls. What we have here is a strategy known as the calendar, right here, the calendar spread. And you'll also see that this calendar, current price is 45.19. It is still bullish, because if you take a look at the Greeks, it is a 5 positive delta. So either way, whether they had closed that 47 in July 21 or not, it is still a bullish trade here for these unusual options. So keep that in mind. All right. So with this calendar spread, you'll see that it is only going for $36 here. And because it is a calendar spread and the strike prices were chosen in a way where the theta is actually positive here. Okay, so it won't decay in value. In fact, it'll gain in value if the price does not go anywhere. You'll see here the purple line will eventually become that blue line there, right? And that is more profit because that's higher than this zero line here, right? Which is the profit loss line on the y-axis. Okay, so in conclusion, right, for Citigroup, when we take a look at the charts, you'll see this large down day relative to other days here, these large red days. It looks like we have some bullishness now, sentiment with unusual options, because if you calculate the value of those 9,999, if they were to just have bought those call options for $90 each, then that's an $899,000 trade here, right? So a large investor put on this trade here. Okay, so keep that in mind, and please, as usual, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't. Comment below on what you think is going to happen to Citigroup, because we have earnings also coming up. So that's something to keep in mind, because this could also have been a trade related to earnings, because this earnings is coming up. It's coming up July 14. So that's pretty soon. Okay, so comment below what you think is going to happen to Citigroup. This could have been an earnings play, and if it was, then it is a bullish one too. All right, if you are interested in other stocks, we do analyze other stocks with unusual options activity, so you can diversify your portfolio. Click the join button and you can get access to our exclusive videos for members only when we analyze unusual options activity. All right, and take care and good luck.